Hi, my name's Tom Ash. I started Short Refi Services not too long ago with the belief that we can help customers, clients who are in trouble financially. We're trying to touch every aspect of a client's financial profile, whether it be consumer debt or mortgage debt. We want to be in a position where we actually pre-qualify people to determine what we can do and then start the paperwork if it's deemed possible to help. What's happening now that I hear is people are grabbing money, saying we can help you, and then nothing happens. Our MO is different. We turn down some because there is probably not a good chance that we can help them save a home because of the fact that they may not have a job. They may have a situation where they can't, get a resolution that will allow them to stay in the house long term. And that's not what we're about. We want to basically get a situation where we actually have the clients set up to flourish, not fail. We're hoping that we can attack, consumer debts and mortgage debts, so that besides getting mortgage relief, we also get consumer debt relief. As I said, you're hearing so many stories about people who are playing games, much like they did to get people into the situations they're in now. The abuse, the fraud, and everything else was just despicable. Myself and my business partners have been in the business for many, many years. Myself, I started in July of '84. And, back then you actually saw people's income. You saw their W-2s, you saw their pay stubs, you saw their bank statements. The property value was determined using a real appraisal. All the things that were kind of lost for a while, which also led to a lot of problems that, frankly could have been avoided. But now that that's, done, it's time to fix it. What's happening now is banks are playing games and saying, okay, we're going to give you these terms and everything else. We had one actually say that we're going to add a principal to your loan, but we're going to lower your payment by $100. That's crud. It's just absolutely crud. And some homeowners don't know how to handle that. They say, oh great, that works. And they just set them up for another disaster. That's not the way it's going to work. The way it has to work is lenders have to take a hit, and they have to do it in a manner that works for the benefit of the lender certainly, but also the homeowner. Lenders don't want to take those hits, and they're going to do everything they can to avoid it. Economically, that makes sense. Morally, it doesn't. They're getting relief from our government, and they're not passing it along, which I think is, frankly, is absolutely despicable. We're all in this together as Americans, and we all got to fight our way through this so that we don't have this kind of thing happen again. But also, we need to do this so that we can get our country back on the right footing. Economically, we're in a situation where it's not tenable. It needs to be fixed. And quite frankly, the government relief programs that are coming out are a joke. They're saying they're going to have people who are no more than 105% of the value on their loans that they're going to help. Come on, that's ridiculous. They're also saying, in some cases I'm hearing, that they won't even help you if you have a second mortgage. Well, as a person who originated mortgages, the 100% financing were all 80-20s, meaning 80% first and a second mortgage for 20%. I mean, it's just ridiculous. These guys are just playing games. I don't want to play games. I want to see the paperwork. I want to see what we can do, see if there's a realistic chance, and help people. I do intend to make money. That is how I live. But I also intend to help people save money. That's how you live. If you want to contact me, you can contact me at 916-730-4200, or you can email me at tash@shortrefiservices.com. tash@shortrefiservices.com. There's no obligation by you if you send some paperwork in to do anything. Send us the paperwork, tell us, show us what you got. We'll be happy to tell you. We may even tell you, here's how to do it on your own. I've done that already too. We're designed to be of service so that we can help people. We're designed to make money, certainly, but I'm willing to invest time and effort, even if I don't make money, so that in the long run, we can all flourish. Thanks for watching. Take care.